quick little lighting crash course: the key light, the fill light, and the backlight. This is the best basic lighting setup you can get with 3 lights. This picture is just the key light. So the key light is going to be your main light in your scene. It's going to be the brightest light in your scene. So as you can see, this is a photo without the key light, and this is with the key light. But the fill light is really where you're going to get that creative touch from. A little bit less of a distinctive difference, but if you see on the left side, that's just the key light, so without the fill light. Left side of his face, a lot of shadows. On the right side, nice and evenly lit. The rim light is basically going to create depth from the subject and pull them out from the background a little bit. So you can see on his cheeks, it kind of defines his facial structure and his jawline a little bit more there. So if you can understand those basic concepts, you'll be able to light your setting really, really well. So thank you, everybody.
I just brought a YouTube video.
YouTube video, man.
Freaking A, dude.